Want to sound more natural when you speak English?
In this video, you'll learn 10 powerful English phrases you can start using in daily conversation today.
These are short, simple phrases that native speakers use all the time.
Listen, repeat, and by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use them confidently in real life.
Let's get started. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Natural English Talk.
This is English Tips in a Flash, where we learn quick, useful English for daily life.
In today's episode, you will learn 10 daily English phrases you can use in real conversations.
We'll explain each phrase in a simple way, give you real-life examples, and help you practice speaking.
First, listen carefully. Then, repeat the phrases with us.
And at the end, you'll use these phrases in a short speaking practice.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just relax and enjoy learning.
All right, let's start with the first English tip.
Let's start with our first daily English phrase.
Tip 1. No problem.
We use no problem when someone says sorry or thanks us.
It means everything is okay, and you are not upset.
Listen, sorry, I'm late. You reply, no problem.
Listen again. Thank you for your help. You say, no problem.
Now you try, no problem. Great. Let's move to the second phrase.
Tip 2. Just a minute.
We use this when we need a little time.
It means wait for a short time.
Listen, can you help me? You say, just a minute.
Another example. Are you ready? You say, just a minute. I'm coming.
Now you try, just a minute. Now here's phrase number 3.
Tip 3. That sounds good.
We use this when we agree with an idea or plan.
It shows you like the suggestion.
Listen, let's watch a movie tonight. You reply, that sounds good.
Another example. Let's meet at 5 p.m. You say, that sounds good.
Now you try, that sounds good. Here comes phrase number 4.
Tip 4. I understand.
We use this to show we understand what someone says.
It is polite and friendly.
Listen, I can't come today, I'm sick. You say, I understand.
Another example. Sorry, I'm very busy right now. You say, I understand.
Now you try, I understand. And now our 5th phrase.
Tip 5. Let me check.
We use this when we want to look for information before answering.
It means you need a moment to find the answer.
Listen, what time is the meeting? You say, let me check.
Another example. Do we have milk at home? You say, let me check.
Now you try, let me check. Great job.
These 5 phrases are very common in daily English.
Now let's practice using them in short conversations.
Tip 6. I'm not sure.
We use this when we don't know the answer or we feel uncertain.
It's a polite way to say you don't know something.
Example, what time does the train arrive? I'm not sure.
Another example. Do you think it will rain today? I'm not sure.
This phrase sounds soft and friendly, not rude. Tip 7. Sounds great.
We use this when we feel happy about an idea or plan.
It shows excitement and positive feelings.
Example. Let's go out for dinner tonight. Sounds great.
Another example. We can finish work early today. Sounds great.
It's stronger and more excited than that sounds good. Tip 8. I'll be right back.
We use this when we leave for a short time and plan to return quickly.
It's very common at home, at work, and on phone calls.
Example, wait here. I'll be right back.
Another example. I need to get my notebook. I'll be right back.
It tells the other person you are not leaving for long. Tip 9. What do you mean?
We use this when we don't understand something.
It means we want the other person to explain more.
Example, I had a crazy day. What do you mean?
Another example. This movie is strange. What do you mean?
It's very useful when you need more information. Tip 10. That's okay.
We use this when we want to show we are not upset or angry.
It's kind and polite.
Example. Sorry, I can't help you today. That's okay.
Another example. Sorry, I forgot your book. That's okay.
It makes conversations calm and friendly.
Situation 1. Running late. Your friend says, "Sorry, I'm late."
What can you say? Use a polite phrase.
No problem. Situation 2. Need more time. Someone asks you, "Are you ready?"
You still need time.
Just a minute. Situation 3. Agreeing with a plan. Your coworker says, "Let's have lunch at 1 p.m."
You like the idea. That sounds good. Sounds great.
Situation 4. Showing understanding. Your friend says, "I can't come today. I have a headache."
You show kindness.
I understand. Situation 5. Need to check information. Someone asks, "What time is the meeting?"
You don't know yet. Let me check.
Situation 6. Not sure. Your friend asks, "Do you know where Alex lives?"
You don't know. I'm not sure.
Situation 7. Leaving for a short time. You need to go to another room.
What do you say? I'll be right back.
Situation 8. Asking for explanation. Your friend says, "This movie was really weird."
You want more information.
What do you mean? Situation 9. Accepting a mistake. Someone says, "Sorry, I forgot your book."
You are not angry. That's okay.
Situation 10. Positive reaction. Your friend says, "We finished work early today."
You feel happy.
Sounds great. Fast reaction round.
Sorry, I'm late.
No problem.
Are you ready?
Just a minute.
Let's go out tonight.
Sounds great.
I can't come today.
I understand.
What time is the meeting?
Let me check.
Do you know the answer?
I'm not sure.
I need my bag.
I'll be right back.
This movie is strange.
What do you mean?
Sorry, I forgot.
That's okay.
Now let's do a quick quiz to check what you remember.
Listen to the situation and say the correct phrase out loud.
Someone says, "Sorry, I'm late." What do you reply?
No problem. You need more time. Someone says, "Are you ready?" What do you say?
Just a minute. Your friend suggests, "Let's watch a movie." You like the idea. What do you say?
That sounds good. Sounds great. Someone says, "I can't come today." You want to show you understand. What do you say?
I understand. You don't know the answer yet. What do you say?
Let me check. You are unsure about something. What phrase do you use?
I'm not sure. You leave for a short time and will return soon. What do you say?
I'll be right back. You don't understand someone's words. What do you ask?
What do you mean? Someone apologizes, but you are not upset. What do you say?
That's okay. Great job. If you answered most of these, your English is improving fast.
Today, you learned 10 powerful daily English phrases that make your speech sound natural.
Try to use at least 2 of these phrases today in a real conversation.
Small phrases like these make a big difference in spoken English.
This was English Tips in a Flash, Episode 1 on Natural English Talk.
Watch Episode 2 to learn more quick and useful English expressions.
And tell us in the comments.
Which phrase was your favorite today?
Thanks for learning with us.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye.